Problem wells in general are wells which underperform or have high operating and/or repair costs. This training module will provide insight to problem wells and help one to understand how to quickly recognize a problem well, how to diagnose the well problem, and how to prevent production problems from occurring on a frequent basis. Problem well diagnosis is one of the most critical job responsibilities of a production engineer. The quicker that one recognizes that a well is A, experiencing difficulties, and B, can determine what is causing the problem, the quicker the problem can be corrected and the proper production rate restored. This module discusses many methods that are used to identify problem wells and a lengthy list of conditions which can cause the problems. Furthermore, it delves into the industry approach to root cause analysis and the importance of problem prevention. If a well has a problem which goes undetected, then that problem will fester and grow into a more serious problem, one which will require a more complex and more costly workover to fix once it is identified down the road. The business consequences of unrecognized well problems are that production or injectivity will suffer as a result of these well problems. This translates into unmet production targets, less revenue, and poorer economics. The more problems we have with our wells, the more interventions that will be required to fix said problems. Every time we intervene in a well, there is a cost and a risk associated with that well work. The more workovers we conduct on our wells, the more expenses we incur, and the more times we put field people and the rig hands in harm's way in order to work on our wells. Good prevention programs will ultimately lead to fewer workovers and thus lower operating costs, fewer accidents, and fewer injuries.